Yes, yes. Ask for days. Hey. Where have you been? Nobody knows. Bust down. Bust down, Tatiana.
Too much old people.
Them want control the shop. They know
And them
what
with your pussy and with your cocky and we run shop. Run shop. All the chicken foot, watch ya. And then long something. I'm not putting long something in my mouth, brother.
Chop your back when you move to the beat. Tell a pussy fat and everybody can see it. I mean, what the
I'm in a room, you wanna bite. But we seen that the cash, you have to wanna bite. If you see me in a trap.
Yeah, man. Ramar. Papi vive, serio.
AJ, Renee, I see you now. Renee, I see you now, AJ. Hey, cuz boy. I saw it go. Show your body big. Here come. Backside. Yes. Ask for days. Magazine. Hey. Backside, you girl. Matty big and thick. Jesus. Could you get thick like a muffin? How you do it? Yeah.
You see the girl ready for the ball. Anyone I wanna get a better girl. Bend over, put your hand by your knee. Chop your back when you move to the beat. Tell her pussy fat and everybody can see it. I mean, what the she said she want. One shot say she love. One shot say she want. One shot say she love. One shot. Body, now your pum pum. Body, now your pum pum. Body, now your pum pum. God, body, now your pum pum. Body, do you want there?
And that's how me take it.
Me please, but like when it's on my way by your knees. Fuck me, please. When last someone tell the words like these. Fuck me, please. If I were you, would have smoked some trees. Fuck me, please. I see this nigga, let's see long time, like, I need all the other things, I'm gonna get it, yo, just be clear. Always say that I'm in the girl, then. Anytime I see them, they see us,
What's up? It is New Year's Eve. It's the last day of December. It's the last day of 2025. My girl is sick. I'm not feeling so well. I come from Portland. I think we came from Portland yesterday. And I just started feeling sick. My throat is on fire. I'm like having a fever. I'm not feeling so good. Someday after morning. I'm still editing because the vlog I forgot out. Someday I edit for to get to the vlog tomorrow. And we don't go look for fireworks tonight. I love for showing some fireworks, but I really not feel good. So I'm so sorry for that. Sorry for that no big excitement moment for doing for the New Year's video, you know. But still, tomorrow me and Jarek is supposed to go to MECA. You know, mommy, I just say MECA Honey. Tremendous day I do the review. I watch the review them for MECA Honey. We are going to Sands tomorrow, hopefully, because Jarek have work, and if him not come with me, then me not go. So he might try to switch him shift. So that's gonna be our New Year party, okay? But for tonight, the last day of December, me and him are sit down here and we are chill. What's happening with my video? Why is it turning that way? No, I did not. I didn't do anything. Hold on, cuties. What's happening? Why is it going back? Guys, I don't know what happened here, so let me tell you something. Before I come down, I call DJI for for update my plan, because me insure my camera so that if anything happen, them fix it. I call them for update the plan, you know what them say? Them say them stop. Hold on, get the light brighter. Or is it dead? Why is it so dull? Anyway, you know what DJ say? Them say them not insure camera no more. So anything wrong with their camera, they don't give a shit about it. They don't care. I'm gonna really want to do it before I come down here because you know anything can happen. Any game can play a Jamaica and then you have to go pay for fix but this thing here. So the people them say them stop insure camera and I'm like okay fine. So if anything wrong with it then what? Them say we have to call them, tell them what's wrong with it and then them give you a estimate how to fix it. So okay then. But from a reach it's just bare bullshit with the camera. Bare nonsense I go on. So I try make sure say you know I'm stay on the safe and cause no I don't have it. But anyway, like I was saying, we're here and me and Jamaica just chill, just us, and we're gonna make some soup. I have to make boiled soup tonight because I'm telling them I don't feel good and I'm going to go tomorrow. Yes.
So we have to fix her tonight and then
fix her tonight is crazy. So we're gonna drink some vodka, some apple vodka, and some cranberry. I'm gonna turn the camera on so you can see. But no fear drink nothing. But because I love to freaking drink, we'll drink like apple vodka and some cranberry, some orange juice and Moscato. We're gonna mix it up. Yeah. And that's our new year. We're chilling. With my best person. Yeah. Only us. We don't really need nobody else tonight to come at my soul. I just want a little peace. You know what I mean? Hold on. Yeah, tonight is just a chill, peaceful night. Edit, drink, make little soup. Yeah. I don't know, so I come home sick last night. I still got dance. I don't know if I got another video here. If you know what's the clip. Because I tell myself I now vlog last night and then everybody has sent me for the camera. I want back a sick now go on. So, I don't know, maybe I did get some shots. Because I wasn't the one vlogging. So hopefully we'll get some good looking shots for that. Yeah, my cousin party last night, I did have to walk. Go up there. But anyway, I didn't came here for all of that. I came here to say Happy New Year. May your New Year be as prosperous as you wish it will be. May all your dreams come true, all your wishes come true, all your New Year's resolution come true. You know, everything one want in life. I hope everybody get it, or at least work feet and you know come close feet or whatever the case may be. But I wish you all nothing but good blessing and good love and everything that's good. Know what I mean? Alright. Happy New Year's. I love you guys. I know you guys are gonna get this. Yeah, they have chicken foot. They can ask me if I want more chicken foot. I eat that. I know you guys are gonna get this way after the new year, but cuties, I love y'all. Thank you so much for rocking with me this year. I had to come on here and say this. Thank y'all so much for rocking with me for 2025. I wanted to reach 10,000 subs before, but girl, listen, where I'm at right now, I'm very grateful. I'm very grateful. We did it together, and we're not giving up. It's only getting better from here. It's only up from here, right? Yes. So thank you guys. I appreciate it. Believe me when I say that. I love y'all. Okay, bye. Have a beautiful new year. Why am I saying bye? I don't know why am I saying bye like I'm going somewhere. I'm not going anywhere. Anyway, I'm gonna set the video for export and go boil like a soup. Maybe I'm showing, maybe not, because like I said, not a vlogging tonight. No, that's good. Chicken neck tonight?
No, that's good.
That's good. That's good. You can put the rest. Alright, cuties. Yeah. Alright. Love y'all. Peace.
Apple vodka. So, let's have more.
Take out the buckle for me. Then cup your little man. Then can't hold nothing. Why bug reaching in my juice so early? I'm just start drinking. What the hell? This is sorry, we get drunk tonight. Be yourself. Cuties! Cheers to 2026.
Bringing in the New Year's 2026.
Here we come.
Here we come.
Loud and proud. Giving God thanks as well.
Yes.
Yes.
And I'm turning an old man as New Year starts.
You turn an old man.
Old man.
Old man. What that mean? You're not going no more?
Eh?
What that mean? You're not going no more?
I'm in a 31.
Oh, Boxer. Oh, your birthday.
Yes.
His birthday is the 2nd, right?
Yes. As the year starts. You not even give me some time for process.
Listen, you live to see a birthday, you know what people don't? So, give God thanks.
This really tastes good though.
It does. I can't seem to stand the liquor them nowadays. I think I've been drinking too much. So it's like my stomach just not, I'm not getting drunk.
Nah, get drunk.
I'm not getting the high vibes, I'm not getting the feelings.
That's why this come into play tonight.
Yeah, because we're like something different.
Suffering. Because
I'm not getting no vibes.
we
It's
ain't
just no
alcoholics,
vibes.
we ain't alcohol. We just
Call
have high
alcoholic if you want.
tolerance. We have high tolerance.
Yeah, I don't think it's not even I think it's just the liquor them now make good. To be honest with them, the liquor them is trash. Rum is trash.
It has 6 stomach now. As you drink it, you're paying up.
You just feel sick.
Yeah.
Rum not no use no more. The Campari is sweet. Hey, me a girl way. I love Campari. It bitter. Everybody afraid of Campari because it bitter. You see me I drink Campari down here? Because I'm afraid of the rum. So I'm really mostly I drink Campari. Cuties. A sweet sugar and water me I drink. Me I say what is? There's no bitterness in the Campari no more. The rum there's no strongness. There's nothing. Alcohol I don't know drink. So I think that's why the liquor them just them not
ready.
one. Yeah. I think we're gonna consider this for party tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Let's see how it turn out tonight.
Right?
But we're considering it.
It'll consider nice. It'll go nicer when you actually have a
Beat.
party for you know
Yeah,
for
but
rock
it's
too.
sweet. I was gonna drink fast.
It's sweet so.
Isn't
The
it?
party,
It's
the early
like-
party, no?
Well,
So we get drunk and come home early, my love.
Yes.
Cuties, quick question, right? So me and Jerky there said him a force and a fight for cut.
Cut.
For cut the middle of the chicken foot them. And I'm like,
Why they do this?
you don't have to cut it because me really not think our grandparents have no reason for cutting it. Cause me just think them just Jerky said them cut it for each share. Me think they just cut it for style. Me think they just want some style
So
because
extra work that.
extra work. So me I tell them not to cut it. But if there's any older person here who can tell me exactly why our grandparents them teach you to do this, our mother and them people that teach you to cut the chicken foot like that, more the reason. Let me know down in the comment section. What is the exact
Kind of
reason?
tax in there.
Nothing in there. If you cut me, no know to cut for. Me only know if that one ugly miggle, I cut it out. But what's the reason for cutting off, not cutting off because I've crossed the toe, I've cut off. But why we cut the middle? Why we slit the middle like that? Make sure to answer me in the comment section, alright? Okay. So cuties, we have show them on it. We have chicken foot and chicken neck in the pot. So I'm gonna put in some pumpkin a lot because they must spoil. So I'm gonna just use them up. And then I'm gonna put some green seasoning in it. So the green seasoning we do from Christmas Day. Give the meat like a flavor, you know. If you go and cook down with some badali.
The smoke.
The smoke. Alright, that is it. I'm going to cover it, make it boil up. And the other way I add. Alright? That's it. Happy New Year.
Cuties, the chef change. What adding there? What adding? Sweet potato and yam. Look how the pot look wonderful. Yes, sir. You see that? You see that? And meat to eat in a soup, not soup. Watch it, cuties. Watch it.
Why that's super rich about?
That's
No,
super rich. Me drink some of this.
Wow, you don't drink. Sorry, I said you want to drink too.
No, me that drink some of this. That rich.
Oh, so then I did that's a super rich.
Nope.
One in the road rich. Wait, one in the road.
Who you talk for them give you dog? Yo man. You know them put in a soup?
So why?
Hey, where you sneeze for me, fag? Where?
Straight dumpling, yeah. You don't want straight dumpling?
No. Yeah.
You like things long?
Yeah.
Let's ask.
Where you ask me or me for know that?
I don't know. So fucking people make natural dumpling. She want wheelie.
Oh, you left the okra them long?
No, then cut it off. You say cut it off.
Yeah, but that long so?
Yeah?
Where long so?
Fucking long things in my pot. All the chicken food, watch it. And then long something. I'm not putting long something in my mouth, brother. Watch it. Them have a cut now.
No, they alright.
I'll
A
be
yard
long
where I cook for.
What?
A yard.
If you push long things around the mouth?
Scooby, where are you though?
Why we couldn't make the dumpling them the normal way? That's all the chicken foot in the cut.
Why then cut though?
Yeah, for cut.
Why then for cut?
You don't put nothing long in your mouth, man.
Oh, that's how they cut them?
Yeah.
Oh.
I might be true. They're so fast.
I don't know.
They have to be cut them.
But the chicken food they easily mash out, that's why. You don't want to cut, you don't want to mash them out.
I don't know.
That's why I'm going to cut them.
If I cut them.
Yeah, the carrot got in already.
I put in the cock soup to the salt and the...
What kind of salt?
What do you mean what kind of salt?
Scrape the side, see what I season up on the side.
So bring the season, come here, sit down like you get order. The police? Come back here.
Bad old.
She has sit down and give me order. If I add little more water, we just make it just coat back a little bit for the cock soup them. Yeah. Still rich. Papi, we are going to sell this tonight.
Smell nice, see? They come catch it. At the season then that top, let's say now, wipe them after?
No.
Yeah. A season?
No, I don't want them to look at it. Let's see what's up. Interrupt us, just see.
You know what kind of season we have to? A blend up season.
Let's go in there, pot?
Yeah. I make it smell so like it's seasoned already with the cat noodle. Land, mash out.
With
the one?
The one that boiling. Nice already.
Exactly.
The sweet potato jita.
A nice day.
Little thing.
We should have carried down the can down so.
No, I don't want it.
We're running.
They run right through the bomb.
I all the soup in there for that.
Me do natural things, killing and fine.
You taste the pot?
Yeah, I mean I taste it.
Yes,
spoil it.
No, you want me get up? You want me get up and go there?
Yeah,
There's
yes.
some ice cream.
You have to me never enjoy the soup, you know.
But don't drink them. There's some
I'm going to drink bitter bubble coffee.
Don't drink. The soup bitter like this?
No, she taste it for herself.
And not bitter, right?
How can I taste it? I'm me already probably telling you I don't want to taste it.
How can you taste it? Just put it.
You taste it back?
It's like nice.
You tell us it's nice?
Yes.
Soup bad. You know it's soup bad. I mean, you know you can't do that. Come on, man.
You put on me nice. Don't fuck with yourself. I scale that time alone to put nice. You put onions, then up, me, make the lamb something.
Because you don't know how to season the pot from the beginning.
No, when you have the
When you cook soup, you have to season the pot.
yeah, but you know, so when you have the chicken back, season my chicken
Don't
back
look up your
fried.
nice on me ears, little now.
You know when you have the chicken back, when you have the chicken back soup, maybe season my chicken back and fry it.
You have to put it somewhere else.
Hey, you know, so your brain shallow?
Who for brain shallow? Who for brain shallow?
Your brain. Can you remember the good days?
Remember every day is.
So you remember when you boil the soup here?
No, I don't remember
And you
that.
tell me say soup bad.
I don't remember that.
You know, so somebody in the head. Fuck up your brain.
Jerky make a little ice here, I can't eat this stuff. Cuties, I always could be a try style night, yeah. We might try style. I thought we were so big trish. Right. And him down a road that smell the soup. People on a road that ask when me a
smell the
cook.
soup on a water and pumpkin alone.
Alone, it never season yet.
Oh, me sees it now?
Yeah.
How much have you got up there?
When you have a fish cup.
Cup of will give.
See my uncle come for him soup, they do not pay him.
How far is that smell the soup? You know what smell it?
No, he up here from earlier, LP. I ain't build the stove and thing.
Yeah. Yeah, go on. Yeah. Road lock down.
Yeah.
Hmm?
I can't realize somebody out there.
That's a big. I want to Jamaica.
I know Jamaica. People broke and gone a road down the road.
Big holiday and village lock down. Yo, somebody young have a control one shop.
That me try to show them now. And the
too much
old people them want control the shop. They know
And them with
what
your pussy and with your cocky and run shop. Can't run shop.
it is.
Put them. True. Don't get young people. Yeah. When them pum pum here now about no green.
What does that have to do with flag? What you both flag?
What?
What does that have to do with
Yeah,
shop?
but if somebody knows that somebody young in the shop, alright, remember I said Chile a film man today, you know. He make sure that everything.
Me a flag, you know?
Yeah, what?
Me a flag.
No, me just say, finger young, that's why I'm dead. Because the amount of young boy that
Oh,
run.
actually the girl at night shop last night?
Yeah.
Oh, so make sure
He
one
make sure
time.
he's dead.
Him not.
So if you have a bar now, have a young meat in the bar, Jaruk, you don't expect a young boy to go jar today? Because she young and fresh? Who want to pump blood? Buddy, what's your name? Bertie.
The queen
The
of
next
body
one.
birthday and that's you want.
Get young people in that place, brother. Too much old shop, old woman, old people. That nah make no sense. I remember when me, remember when me just come to village, you know, when me come up at the bar and me astonished him and I said, pretty? Sorry for God again. When me I said, woman are pretty.
No, man, a girl here they say.
No.
A girl here they call me. A
No,
girl here they call
no,
me.
this is nice shot here, girl. So
Girl,
you
they call
go back
me.
Irish Town, they say, yo, one bar down, so I'm pretty, so I never see. The boy
About
say,
50,000 man come
the
down.
amount of man will come
Bite man,
down.
come down, you freak.
The amount of bite man will come down.
About 50,000.
I tell man, I say, I'm a short here girl down there. You know the bar, I say, woman pretty, woman pretty. Because every night I find gas to come down. I want to borrow money to buy gas. Just to look for the man at the bar. After reach out
This bar still.
Yo.
yeah, you need something like that back in
Village
the
the
community.
back there. Village and
This
look.
bar.
But guess what you know?
No, it can't happen again, you know. The rookie. But you have to have somebody young and a people person like you. No, sir.
Oh yeah, you did good.
If I check the bar in front of you, sir, I'll be a long time people.
Hey, and the woman them nah give up.
Them nah give up and them nah bust somebody young and them sister them time.
And the
Them
thing is,
boring.
right?
Everything
Could we go check the pot?
done, there's everything done in like that.
Everything done cook? The dumpling done cook, that's for tea?
What? I'm not coming that, you know, and what over water have run through that, you know. From that swim at the top, you good, you know. Alright, look when I take shot about dumpling no cook and when look quick time dumpling no cook. Find dumpling and lift up off a ground. And I like one time for
Alright, go and check the pot. Let me in. Come jerky in. Go on with him. Put some water on it.
yeah,
No, man. What do you mean by too thick?
Too thick, man.
If you too thick, that's water on it. Come on, thick.
No, man, this
You
ready.
know, thick.
No, man, this good. But I just show it thick now. When you take out the some water,
Lock it off and take it off.
yes, when you put like I saw share this, that done quick, thick, watch it.
You have to lock it off. Hey!
And the okra, make it
Okay,
slimy.
man.
So it for stay, like take your 5
If me ever young, I want baby, I this to drink.
Me a drink it, but na baby na make. Me a do them.
Get one you. You can't give them nice soup and
Na baby na make.
so when you get you sir, your body start full back in.
Allah, you tell the girl longer.
Longer what? I'll get you.
And when you breathe up, you drink up.
Yeah, I forget that you. You're young.
Don't worry about jerky on the youth. Him tell us same one youth.
They come in at this.
Me always say jerky this.
The man saying one you.
When?
They name upside saying one you.
Oh.
When the girl didn't chuck a pass.
When?
Say one.
Hey!
I say, Scooby, I don't want the girl in chuck it for the next time.
Yeah.
And me I come back again, you know. So him have to do something. Like I go pass through.
Yeah.
Me our Father's Day.
Me?
Me, I take it on fire.
So you come in. My mother.
The shots are shots in.
Happy New Year's, guys.
Cuties, thank you, baby. Happy New Year's to you too.
Happy New Year's to the vlog.
Happy New Year's to the vlog.
You know that I got this year, mommy. You
I
know
want
that.
me this year. Bumbo.
Not on the clappers.
No, son, the clappers are boss.
That thing go on
The man them are going by the road.
the on the best of them. And it's gonna happen this
What's the
year.
cuties? But they get up for go give look for fireworks soon, but the things they want bust in the East Road St. Andrew ain't fireworks. They were going bad up here tonight.
Yes, boom.
I can't find one fireworks in the hill, but me and you be nice. I can't see one sparkle, but I say you're nice.
You're not gonna hear the sparkles. You're not gonna see sparkles.
But I say you're nice.
Like sparkles already here.
I don't know fireworks.
How many times I've gunshot at all?
Yeah, but a whole heap of things that was up different. Anyway, we're going to share what look at soup and enjoy what look at New Year's. Hold on there.
Happy New Year. Some visit
The way your freaking mouth big every day in the vlog.
Some visit happy birthday cuties.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
No, me visit happy New Year cuties.
Anything you want to say, say me the business.
So we can understand friends and family.
Me the business what you want to say.
Happy New Year, friends and family. Wish you all the best for the new year.
Greetings across the world.
Yeah.
And greetings across the world. Fucking Texas season greetings something. Happy New Year, we're done. To friends and family.
This could be an ever coming problem.
Yeah, but him going to say greeting across the world. Him said that.
Happy New Year's, cuties.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh, man, including and then something.
The man of the day.
Man in our thing.
In my greetings, the man that include.
Yeah.
Sieve it. Like Siva.
Save it.
We can't say happy birthday to all the cuties.
What is the birthday? Who's a birthday?
Happy birthday, no? Happy birthday, Joe.
Birthday is tomorrow and birthday.
Today the first.
It's the second
so
and
you're
birthday.
running so fast.
He won't get old.
Born from the 1st to the 31st.
Alright,
Yeah.
Now skip out. Alright. Happy birthday.
Me not skip nothing and that me make you know.
Happy New Year, cuties. All of the girls in me talk. Big up the general them.
Yeah. There you go.
Yeah, that sound better, no?
Yeah, that's all better. But guess what now?
What?
The rest are got in there too.
What?
All of the rest are click them when you start
No,
in
you
there.
can't put that a mistake me and make.
Me no response.
Can't don't run my thing like you want run my show, you know. Yeah, but them thing never cut out.
No.
I'm just try to get my things straight.
No.
For the people understand.
You should have do your things straight better.
Cutie because money night. You see me I say? So me have to just
That's our brand though.
yeah, that I can say that. So me that's why I kind of just then happy birthday to the cute girl.
Birthday? What the something do you on the birthday thing? Me not depend it. Something. Me not understand now. What with the birthday situation?
Come bring my big bowl of soup.
You want a big bowl of soup? Me hear you. Jerky bowl of penny for me to make it disappear.
This is me.
Yes.
This is you. Me know you not drink much soup. But what's this plate there?
This is what is.
Shop disappear now.
But what's going to be so while ago?
Peer.
Disappear for the what?
In a soup. You're mad.
Me never hear that yet.
You never eat drink soup
Me
with peer.
never hear, let
You
alone
want to
see.
Can. Make and tell us. Eh? Yo.
Boogie up there?
A soup you want.
That mean Boogie go want soup. So tell him say one plate.
Hey, you never drink like a drink soup and put peer night?
Never.
For this blood clot.
Are you alone do that, Scooby?
Can't try that.
Me not,
You
I would
better that.
never.
You not try it?
Nope.
Try it and call me and tell me what it is.
Me never try. Tell the cuties them for try pear and soup.
Captain, tell people about cuties, man. The peeps, try pear and soup. I want to tell me how that is.
Outside. What? Not catch your cover. Go outside. Out there.
No,
Go
baddest
go
thing
out
now.
there.
But Jamaican do that?
You tell Boogie send the plate for me?
Come. Yeah, tell us bad. Come, who was I when the period dry?
Pear and soup? You never hear a pear and soup before? Never. Otis, come for this.
My father live to see next year. He's ready to come more well.
Jerky, look at the pumpkin there, cookie there. Put the pumpkin in the pot too late. What's the boogie plate there? Boogie no want a soup? More want him plate.
My one is?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Reach my brother, please, Philly, please.
I'm not following it.
Bumba, boogie school plate.
Happy New Year to you, Lil. Alright.
Pumpkin. Pumpkin then no cook, guys. They forget to put them in the pot. And then put them in the pot last.
That's Scooby idea.
Scooby.
No, come, yeah, stop them something, man. They do that.
I wanna cook.
Oh, they cook.
I wanna cook.
Tell us
One
how
more,
they eat
yes.
that.
So one more you cook, you want it?
But today, so the eater can cook them. The eater can cook them.
So one more, yeah. All of them do them, so I'm tough no ass.
No, so I say,
Scooby, piece more cook, you want it?
Make you stay in the rest of them stay in the pot.
May I make them stay, but more sure them pick the food first. Well, them there. Scooby. How the soup's hot and it done already?
Make this, you'll find once you leave the plate, so you're really cool. So Uncle do feel more lean the plate. So you have tactics to it.
Is there tactics to it?
Yeah. But the Cherokee have a plate flat. So they eat there.
Jerky, don't know if you drink soup.
And then over drink soup. Not just with no drink soup. But once you have soup and porridge, man, you lean it.
Steam, I come out of the plate, guys. Steam.
I'm leaning on the plate, man. What do you think?
We don't have eat soup.
What do
Anyway, I'm gonna enjoy my soup.
No more left in there.
No, it done.
Who likes soup then?
Yeah. Remember, I never planned for people. Me and Jerky, they say we look like a pot. We're going to look a boat. And him at time use a smaller pot, and I know, you know?
I'm looking.
Yeah, no, we know you don't come. We know you definitely don't feed that pot. But then we know them penny eat dinner. I never expect them.
So Steve cook the pumpkin. And then she has to have a pumpkin.
Some of them cook. I mean, pick out the one them will cook.
Yeah, but if it stay 5 more minutes.
Yeah, she said the soup get too thick because they make the damn sitting there and cook out. You know, I'll cover my camera. Cuties, it's Jeruki's birthday. Cheers. Anyway, Happy New Year. We are about to head out for turn up for the New Year and for my best man's birthday. His birthday is actually after 12 tonight. The second.
Right, yeah, the second.
Today is still the first. So, we check. The girl is looking snappy. Chuck, you gotta turn this camera around for a minute. So, you know, the outfit is from Shein. Cute. But in a no mood for wearing no heels. I want some what am I calling it? Some clocks. I haven't had them forever. So yeah, I'm gonna have a two-tone jewelry them. Where are you going?
You know me, yeah.
Oh, I'm blind you. Yeah. Bust down, Tatiana. Anyway, that's the fit. Cute.
Yes,
Stop
cute.
before TikTok, you know, TikTok, YouTube, block over outside.
Okay.
Anyway. Fit check for Lecky. What the No clue. Yes, peeps, that's it. Cuties, we're heading out. I'll see you guys in the streets. Well, cuties, we're gonna see if we can vlog inside there because the rules then when me just here a while ago, I don't think they're gonna allow me to bring the camera. I say, hey, you look good. Thank you. You're welcome. You look sexy or freak. You look cute. Anyway, we're gonna find out if we can vlog inside. If we can, then I'll come with you. But if not, sorry. Sorry, oh. Sorry.
You cannot come.
Well, cuties look like we're gonna get lucky. The security guard said yes, but I'm not sure yet. Wait to reach up at the door. At the door that up there, sir? Also, weapons could be, but how the backside is?
I'll see that one.
You are my mister, you are my mister. I will come here, so if we appear the door? Pardon? We'll come here, say if we appear the door?
No, this is the exit.
Oh, it's exit, okay. On the rules.
Okay.
I'm saying nothing else to say no at Cherokee. People have upgraded them thing, man, but no at. Go for your at your Scooby. You know? Yeah.
Remember me tell you.
I'm gonna give out Zoe. Hey man.
Hey, man. Baby. Hi. What them say them a call it for?
Yes, now feel the best that you pick up for the say come on, it's a good job.
Look cute, you know. Come on.
Where have you been? Nobody knows it like you do. Nobody gonna love it like you can. Well, look at what I
Marcus, what you say? You don't know any one boom boom and I king of the street. One boom boom. Out there, you don't know. Everybody, bless up. Happy New Year. And many prosperity and blessing. And make sure the third one boom boom. God is the greatest. One word of God. One love now. Big up my brother. You hear that? Big up vibes. I'm a brother. And I'm shooting more here. How are you, brother? I'm your nephew. DJ! I'm the now. I want to know who I want to represent. To the police. Big up Shorty. Now look up my little money. DJ, I'm here to talk about this one. Happy New Year, you see that? Happy New Year.
As long as we got life, I'm doing okay. I am fine.
Happy New Year. MECA Nightclub. I think I'm fucking up. Wait there. Right, you're suffering
Not production.
I'm phenomenal now. Yeah, I'm phenomenal.
Trying to go around with you, trying to go around with you, kind of with you. From a friend of never got me. Tell me what ain't got me. She didn't give me no mercy. She put me with no fear. Open your body to the up top, man. Alright, run it phenomenal.
Yeah. What the DJ?
Alright, you must say now, you play the song, alright? It's a new laptop, you know. Alright, alright. Alright, we must see a bunch come from me and Harry. I'm there with you for a long time, I only know, yeah? You see it? Alright, just play something weird, something, alright? There's no one to play out on a bar, isn't it? No, man, Harry, I'm afraid, man. I watch me Harry in a boom boom. I know. You know that from 2018, is what I said? How far we are come from? Boom boom, you were going to 2026, see? Yeah. And I hear I'm in the side say, I don't make nobody at all drain the energy, you see me that? No time. Because I don't know, we have to protect our sanity, you see me? That is it. See, so for 2026, we will just ask Father God, see? To protect me, Lord. Protect me, Lord God. Protect me, Lord. Oh God. Father, protect me from all of them. I want you to think of me. Go on now, so I don't need nobody on again. For people who me call me friend, you want to see me call. Father, please, if never fall, make us feel. I got to make up again. You don't need to do them nothing at all. You be done see. Father, please, make me know who are real, my friends and my foes. Need to pretend that you must. We see the evil in everybody's show. Father, please, give me that mistake. When me in the street on the road, Father God, let come here, you want friend, make the reason now. There's something more now. Why I feel like nobody don't love me. But I really leave the place, I would have run. Sometimes I go on space, just go somewhere me and tell us, yeah. But don't find me dream. Everybody that come show up your hands up. We are the enemy. So come like us. We are the enemy. I don't know what to think. Let me know find no feelings. That's my committing. I mean, not just a word I never dreams. And it's been a rape. Never had a game from me. No, me no leg. Come in, come in. We got no unforgettable. You can play some tune, man. Listen me. Play some tune. That is it, my father. But I know before we go, we have to live in the words of pride.
Bumbo. I played on my party. Hold on, 1 second there.
Power up your son up.
No, man, I write to somebody.
That's all I'm trying to chip it on every
Yeah.
Alright, what you say?
Big up DJ. You understand? Because you are going to people from a Billy dance named Drip. DJ make me alright in our life. Them money can go all over the world. Me own Benz, me own house, me own a bag of things in our life. You can sell, tell me. Yeah. So we have to dig up DJ and him there and say right outside of me in my party. You see me? Big up the same way, big up the whole team, UTC. But look though, boy say something. Look at Adi. You have one song with you and your father, we will respect it. And here one of more you do it freestyle for me. Me I beg you, I'm a party, me that's why you does. Give me a vibes. Yeah, me I give them, me I in the mic, people. Yeah, me I make it reach him. That song them about friend.
Sorry, baby. Sorry.
Yeah, boy, you know, do a freestyle, my brother. Fully. Yeah, I'm going to say big up Gabby down. They don't know things are dirty. Big up DJ up top, boss. MECA boss, big up yourselves. The whole MECA, more everybody. Yeah, watching on acapella. Tell us me so sweet. I don't know me own a vice. But bitch in the cash, you have to own a bite. If you see me in a traffic, then they don't mind. We no 50 touchy pedal, then a show overdrive. We no follow speed limit, so we overdrive. Every day in the studio that are overnight. Big food drop, don't you know it's overnight. Shout out, cabin down, that was so alive. I'm better than shit. Now, quick fast. Yo, cabin down, big up yourself. One Gaza. Yo, MECA boss. Yeah, man. You don't know things that are the man. Yo, DJ. I'm afraid of that. Here I come. Tell us every song. Like me don't know me own a vice. But machine and the cash, you have to own a bite. If you see me in a traffic, then you know mine. Me no feel we touch the pedal, then I show my drive. We no follow speed limit, so we overdrive. Every day in the studio that are overnight. Big food drop, don't you know it's overnight. Shout out, cabin down, that we so alive. I'm a winner that killer pussy if you this dog. Get them on the split it hard. Also, cause we have to reach fast. To the bad mind, which part? Bust down every rich part. You win, so we win, dog. Every day, so we live, dog. So we have to live, dog.
Pull up. I roll force each other in the morning, see? So you are going to take it. I give it an earth shot. I know the streets outside. The people in from flying for the party. Everybody there, so chopping. You have us. Alright. Yeah, let's do it, quick. control, man. We're outside, isn't it? Alright, send the mic, Simo. Send the good one, bro. Send the good mic, Simo. Quick and fast. So ladies, we'll make sure we're in the morning. Cause the morning gets serious now.
You're a fool.
I'm not jumping. Start pretty good right now. Get me the red shot. Press play. We start out.
Come on, you ready?
No.
You've been ready.
No.
Me say, Cuties.
Don't make sure mix me a blood.
Back to for days,
Right, true.
Cuties. Well, we'll look at the beautiful ladies. Let's chat. Jaruki ready from early.
I lie.
You know why, guys? Because they said no smoking in the club. So Jaruki and Scooby been ready. Listen, it's New Year's, no more smoking, man.
I lie, you tell me never make that what day.
Because if you can't enjoy yourself for a minute, for 2-3 hours without a cigarette, it's crazy. They're not looking bad.
All asses are out.
All asses.
Yes, all asses. They are fine. Fine asses.
Very fine. Very teensy-weensy.
Yeah, but fine asses. Milk asses, black asses, chocolate asses.
What time the club you like?
That time, yeah.
4 o'clock? But the nightclub still full, so we never walk out. Is it 11 o'clock?
Never walk out.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, Ross, I got you there. I smoked the whole of my cigarette them. How much?
Scooby, you can't tell me that. You can't tell me that. Somebody said taboo.
I'm gonna find myself a side piece.
In a taboo?
I don't know where.
Yo. Cuties.
This is.
I don't know if we're gonna go anywhere after this. If we do, I'll pick y'all back up. But for now, it's time out. I am gonna take a break. Alright? Hey, people see me with the camera killing them, did me famous, and they're like, this bitch, who is this bitch? Who is this bitch?
Well, the camera light is on.
She's like, she's just looking. Yo, I swear. Every time people see me with a camera, they kill them dead but famous. Yeah.
34 on the 40, a box full of Louis V shoes, but a girl shall have been too far. The thing upgrade, a 2 Benz to a turbo bus, feel plain, much runway. 5 year and me stay hot, girl, something to for them both be straight.